Comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. She spends her waitress money on me, swollen $20 bills, a side of fries. She grinds up others' coffee while she hums the songs no one has ever heard, but I can hear them too. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. She spends her waitress money on me. I buy a set of strings, my baby's diamond ring. She grinds up others' coffee while she hums the song she can't afford. I can't afford them too. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. The music comes from her head to my hands. I play the notes she cannot understand. I am her soundtrack. Understand.
That was a fun one for me. I like doing these sort of experimental instruments, and this one was experimental in a lot of ways for me, you know, being the extended range with the fan frets and 7 strings, extra frets at the top. You know, it's a lot more challenging to try to figure that all out and make it happen, but it's so much more rewarding when you get there. And the first guitar with 2 pickups is for a client. The other one I made alongside it is sort of a practice to test some of the stuff as I was going and to help me figure it all out. That's kind of been my thing lately, so then I can put that one out in my web store. But I'm actually going to sort of hang on to that for a while, I think, because I haven't gallery exhibit coming up this summer, and so I want to have some different and unique guitars to display in the gallery show. So I might save that one for that. I'm not sure yet. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about real quick was you saw in the middle of the video where I put some finish on that I was using this contraption. This is the spray tool developed by Stuart Semple. He's a very interesting artist. And the idea with this is to replace the spray can paint, which has all those gases that are bad for the environment, that are oil-based paints. So with this, and just like a regular soda bottle, you can spray any water-based or any paint of any kind just using this bottle and the spray thing. You pump it up like a bicycle pump. I would recommend go checking that out, Stuart Semple's spray, if you're interested in it. This is my first time using it. I just got it in. I was part of the Kickstarter for it, and I need to learn. I think I needed some, maybe like some Floetrol to put in there. It was a little bit splotchy for what I was trying to do, and I don't think it's really designed for doing fine finishes on guitars, but I was able to just, I sprayed it on, and I used a brush to sort of clean out some areas, and I'm looking forward to experimenting with this some more. Probably not for finishing guitars, but I wanted to use it because I just got it, and it's really cool. So go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you all very much, and be good. Oh, none of that's sponsored. He's just awesome. Support artists, man. I mean, what's the point of life without art, right?